A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a capalat. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are with Silk Boss. Yeah, man, Silk Boss with Life Story Part 2. Yes, and the second part is. The first part was produced by Terradan 3 years ago. Big up yourself, Terradan. Big up yourself, Trap City Records. And this one is obviously part 2. So this is a recap of the first one. Listen, just like a 5-second clip. Listen, this is how it starts. Hold me run and chat the road. Mama, me no want a friend. Or then say the real to me and still them want me life again. Remember that one there? Remember that one there? Alright, here's part 2 of it. Let's go. Ice Queen. In dress the same, another one, no shirt, just jeans and sneakers.
So I have to strap up like seat, I wait for karma come. Take on the road, I chase my dream, tell mommy how to love. My father great, so I have to great, cause I'm my father's son. I may have to get everything, cause I have a family now. Skelly and call me one day and say the time around. Yeah, me know the time around, yes. But me have to make it cause my life not done yet. You know how much star it take for Jaja build a Sunday. I the same effort it take for get my mother me for Sunday.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. This one a bit low. What go on the volume? Oh, it's everything back. Alright, cool. $14K films, big up. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm smarter, you know. I'm forward before Father God as your son. And he did. This is what I'm saying to you, Father God, because them pussy are wicked down here.
Father God, me come before you know as a son.
Yeah.
Cause people meant fuck up and friend and love. Them kill a fear one of things because I grudge. So I have to strap up like seat, I wait for karma come. Take on the road, I chase my dream, tell mommy how to love. My father great, so I have to great, cause I'm my father's son.
My father great, so I have to great, cause I'm my father's son. So I tell you, say, you look up to him father. So him father great, him father's a great man, so he has to become a great man, because there's no doubt about it. My father's son.
Take on the road, I chase my dream, tell mommy how to love. My father great, so I have to great, cause I'm my father's son. I may have to get everything, cause I have a family now. Skelly and call me one day and say the
time I run.
Yeah, me know the time I run, yes. But me have to make it cause my life not done yet. You know how much star it take for Jaja build a Sunday. I the same effort it take for get my mother me for Sunday. The pain in my...
Yeah, comparison. You know what stars it take for Jaja build a Sunday. At the same effort it take to get my mother meal on Sunday.
Star it take for Jaja build a Sunday. At the same effort it take for get my mother meal for Sunday. The pain in my brain night I make me pray for run one, but me now go left my place so Jeffy pass me that gun there.
Yeah man, me a wall out. Me now left my place. Even though it's hard, we are wall out. Jeffy, pass a strap there now.
My life have to protect cause me no know when the sunset on the road where me chat me can't believe say it not done yet but life are the greatest gift. Life are the greatest gift. Every day me pray and wish that the pain of me heart just live. Life are the greatest gift. Life are the greatest gift. Every day me pray and wish.
So he's taking clips back from the part story first and put it in at this as well, which is good. Emma emerge it toward them. So that was from the first one, and now it's now.
You think me done yet? Or them say father gotta come and him not come yet.
Yeah.
How me see the pastor man a reason and my mind say just ask him a question when me do it him get upset cause none of them no know so change the subject. Samson and Delilah know the two of them in love yes. And the soldier want Samson and him locks Delilah cut them. So me fi trust a girl and worse me can't trust friend.
Buckler in putting a la part there. You know the video what happened to him unfortunately bro.
None of them no know so change the subject. Samson and Delilah know the two of them in love yes. And the soldier want Samson and him locks Delilah cut them. So me fi trust a girl and worse me can't trust friend. Life are the greatest gift. Life are the
Oh, I'm if trust a girl, I know I can't even trust friend. Blood clot. Life are the greatest gift. Life are the greatest gift.
Every day I pray and wait, so the pain of my heart just lay.
Talented artist, you know, man. Talented artist, bro. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself. Powerful, 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 powerful. Big up yourself, Sid. Yo, Sid got talented artist, you know, Sid got bad artist, you know. So, when you see him run out on new rules, that was a good look for him. That was a good look. And him did forward out and do him thing. Big up yourself, Sid. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. We need them songs from you, bro. These are the songs that put you to the forefront. You see me? So big up yourself for going back to life story and getting part second for me, bro. This powerful to see me. You see me? Yeah. What do you think what I wanna do? What do you think? Also, Silk. May know how I do it? Or if you are Brie. I'm telling you this, dog. I'm gonna have to stop this. I'm gonna tell you now. A 2 time or 3 time now, I'm gonna do it to me. I'm gonna upload the video on my Instagram. I'm gonna invite on to it. I'm gonna take the invite and then 5 minutes later, I'm gonna cancel the invite off on the page. Why not take the invite on the first place for if you don't want it, pande? I'm gonna stop the fuckery, dog. I'm gonna stop the fuckery. I don't like that style of dog. Honestly, I wasn't gonna say anything, but I say it no, bro. I say it no. It happened then, but I say it no. I'm gonna stop the fuckery. If you don't put the reaction pan on the page, fine. Don't accept it though. Fuck up. It look fuck up. Yes, it look fuck up. Remember I said the whole of it out there, so I create content. Yeah, I create content for the fans them. Me I create content for my people them. So just do the right thing and stop the fuckery, dog. Alright, me I tell you now. You hear that? Yes. But bad song still, my bro. Bad song. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up yourself. Wish to get some more of them songs because every time you put out them songs, them always hit, bro. So yeah, big up yourself, bro. And I hope that one I go far for you. 1 second, life is the greatest gift. Like, what can be more? Like, life is the greatest gift, bro. Like, literally, you see me? So big up yourself. Yeah. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying, span them and do what? Def them.